Yeah, they would have an event out there on the weekend, and um, we'd have to shut down the park on usually a Wednesday so they could start setting up, and then it would be off through the weekend. And then we turn it back on Monday, or actually probably Tuesday, because Monday was more of a cleanup day. And it was, it really put its toll on the park. Of course, the event's in the middle of the summer, so it'd go for a week without water. And so we, a couple of times, put down lot 125 prior to the event. We did notice the recovery was easily, 35% quicker to bring it back to a good stand of grass versus non-treatment, and maybe 50% quicker. But I know it was significant. So it was definitely a benefit to that prior to those events.